Alright, this is going to be a super short video, people, because I've recorded this now. This is my third time recording this video, and the first 2 times I forgot to hit the record button. Alright, so check this out. Everything's the same. Transformations. Boom. This is what you'll see. In class, we're going to practice this. I want to remind you that this is actually on page 14 of your packet, in the middle of it, in between sections 6.3 and 6.4 or so. I did that to save paper. Here we are. Here's the short version of this idea. If you wanted to graph by hand this equation, make 2 tables. Make a table for this term, make a table for this term. The only difference between these 2 terms happens to be, in this case, is that here first you take the sine of the input and then you multiply the result by 2. And here you first multiply by 2 and then take the sine. You're producing the tables in the same way. You can see what that looks like. So copy the tables down. I decided to do the positives first and then realized I didn't have to do the negatives because of odd symmetry. The sine function is an odd function. So when you take the negative of x, it becomes the negative of y. F of negative x is equal to negative f of x. And so here's the odd symmetry going on. 2 becomes negative 2. Negative 1 becomes positive 1. So the big idea is that once you have these 2 tables, you can add all the y values of this term and all the y values of this term to get the total y values of the actual total graph. Here, just add them up. Add these y values and these y values. 1.41 plus 1 is 2.41. 2 plus 0 is 2. And I want you to do this row right here. If you plot them all, it'll look like this. Funky little graph, but that's okay. It's fun. There it is. There's the pink row, here's the orange row, here's the green row, and your result should be right here somewhere. That's it. Easy to explain, maybe difficult to practice, but that's what class is for. This is your last video. I want you to copy the problem list, the assignment list, and start the first problem in 6G2. And this is Bergman signing out.